What could be better than living in South Delhi? Welcome to JOR BAGH, nestled in the heart of the city. With a mix of colonial and modern architecture, tree-lined streets, it is perfect for diplomats, expats and foreign nationals. This 480 square yards property has a garden-lined entry. Today, we're excited to show you this exclusive 3 BHK plus study property in JOR BAGH. On my right side, we have the drawing cum dining with the furniture that is unpacked, completely new. The drawing room has a panoramic window installed so that you do not miss out on the amazing green scenery. The living room comes with an attached study room, which is perfect for focusing on work. Comes with a built-in bookshelf and attached closet space. Now, after a living room, we come down the hall to the first bedroom. This bedroom comes fully equipped with a king-size bed, a wardrobe, large windows for ventilation, a TV unit, and a beautiful washroom. Right next to the hall, we have the fully equipped semi-modular kitchen. It comes with 2 utility balconies and an attached servant quarter. Now coming down to the gallery with our bedroom 2, bedroom 3. Both come with attached washrooms and huge windows for air ventilation and lots of natural light. At the end of the hall, we have our closet for additional storage space. If you're looking for a prime spot in central Delhi, reach out to Rent-A-Roof for more information.